Only 2% know the true impact of baking soda, plus one trick you've never heard of. You probably think baking soda is just for baking, right? Or maybe to keep your fridge smelling fresh. Nope. That's just scratching the surface. Did you know that the small box of baking soda in your kitchen cabinet could be the answer to more than 20 everyday health issues and household challenges? But this miracle ingredient has hidden uses that big pharmaceutical companies would rather you didn't know about. Today, I'm diving into the incredible, almost secret uses of baking soda, including one powerful trick that barely anyone knows. Stick around, because I'm saving that one for the end. The scientific name of baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, and it's a natural mineral found in deposits around the world. Shocking benefits. 1. Natural acid neutralizer. Have heartburn or indigestion? A tiny pinch of baking soda in water can calm acid in minutes. It's like having an instant antacid, but straight from your kitchen. 2. Powerful detox bath. Add half a cup to your bath with Epsom salt. It draws out toxins, soothes irritated skin, and even helps you sleep better. People pay spa money for this. 3. Teeth whitener, that actually works. Mix baking soda with a little hydrogen peroxide. Brush gently. Your smile? Brighter in days. No harsh chemicals. No overpriced whitening kits. Health hacks you've never heard. 4. Deodorant replacement. Ran out of deodorant? Dab a little baking soda under your arms. It neutralizes odor-causing bacteria instantly. No aluminum, no fragrance, just clean. 5. Kidney helper. Studies suggest that baking soda may slow down the progression of chronic kidney disease by balancing acid levels in the blood. Always check with your doctor, but that's huge. 6. Natural fungus fighter. Got athlete's foot or nail fungus? A baking soda soak can help kill the fungus and speed up recovery. It's been a hidden remedy for generations. The trick only 2% know. Now, here it is, the baking soda trick hardly anyone talks about. The deep breathing boost. If you feel tired all the time or struggle with focus, this one's for you. Add a tiny pinch, and I mean tiny, of baking soda to a glass of water, and sip it before deep breathing exercises or meditation. It helps alkalize the blood just enough to improve oxygen uptake. People report clearer minds, better energy, and sharper focus within minutes. It's like flipping the on switch in your brain. As powerful as baking soda is, it's not without risks if misused. So here are 3 safety tips you absolutely need to know before trying any of these hacks. 1. Don't overconsume internally. Never take more than 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon in water at a time, and definitely not more than 1.5 teaspoons a day unless your doctor tells you to. Overuse can lead to serious issues like high blood pressure, kidney strain, and even metabolic alkalosis, a dangerous shift in your body's pH. 2. Watch the sodium. Baking soda is pure sodium bicarbonate. Just 1 teaspoon has over 1,200 milligrams of sodium, that's half your daily limit. So if you're watching your salt intake or have heart-kidney issues, stay cautious. 3. Patch test for skin use. Doing a detox bath or using it as deodorant. Do a small patch test first. Baking soda can cause dryness, irritation, or rashes on sensitive skin. Baking soda is a natural miracle when used wisely. Treat it with respect, use it sparingly, and it can work wonders. So now you know, baking soda isn't just for cookies. It's a detoxer, a healer, a performance booster, and your secret weapon sitting in the kitchen. Hit that like button, share this with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe for more health hacks they don't want you to know.